Hi guys, today welcome back. Sorry, the first thing I want to say is Happy New Year's to all of you guys that are watching right now. Happy New Year's. Second of all, sorry I haven't made a video in a long time. It's because we had to celebrate Christmas and Happy New Year's. Yeah. So now I'm making a new video today. We're playing. Oh, I just died. Oh no, I did not die. But right now we're playing survival natural disaster survival natural disasters. I don't think I said that right. Where's the shop at? Bonus! And I just joined. Let's go. There is the shop. Let's go get the shop. Wait. Oh! Wait. Oh, this one's my favorite. Dude, I love this one. Bro, this one's epic. Let's go. Token hunt. Get this one. I see a 32. Boink. Go here. Ah, I'm stuck. No, let me get the 32 token. Yes, got it. No, I should have gotten the fuse coil. Dude. It's 2023, bro, and I still cannot speak. $32 right there. Oh, we have a lot of time to get this. Watch this. Ah, that's hard. We gotta maybe jump all that and then ooh, got it. All right, let's go. No, 19 seconds left. 18. Let's go. Jump. Jump. Goop doop. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got it in time. Let's see how much. Oh my gosh, I got a lot of XP. I'm gonna do. This is difficult. Okay, I'm gonna just do plastic. Palace. To Zombie. Woohoo! Wait, first I need to go buy something from the shop because I didn't get to do that earlier in the other map. The things that we're gonna buy is this and then the crossbow and then that. Swap this. There we go. Dude, this is my favorite coil because it makes you fast and makes you jump high. That's why it's called the fusion coil. Wait, does it heal you though? I don't know. I don't think it does. Wait, I think it does, kind of. This guy's getting healed. Oh, maybe because he upgraded his. Because you can upgrade items, but the only way you can do it is if you get orbs. But okay, no, wait, where's an energy drink? Oh, it's epic duck. Bonus ducks. All right, we gotta shoot him. Well, we can't shoot him. Okay, I'm black. This guy dropped bonus ducks. I'm running. This guy's crazy. Uh-oh, that's something bad. There's still ducks everywhere. Oh, they hurt you. Oh, no, this is bad. This is bad, guys. Oh my gosh, the lightnings are crazy. I want to buy something from the shop. Okay, I need to buy, what was it called? A Bloxy coin? Where is it? I survived. Uh-oh, but yeah, our throne just got literally sliced in half. Alright, let's see what the next disaster is gonna be. Uh-oh, watch out. This guy's gonna be drilling. Oh, gosh. No, I'm gonna die. Ooh, everyone over there just got fricked. Like, they just got murdered. Uh-oh, it's coming over here. Ooh, look at that. Boom, just drilled in there. Where's he drilling now? Next to me again? Where's he going? Oh, he's going over there. We survived. Oh, we got some coins. A lot of people died. Yeah, look at that. A lot of people died. Only at least 7 people survived. Includes me. What the? Is this guy? Oh! What? That's amazing. This guy can drop coins for us. That's why because he has a money bag. I'm gonna try to do that. Uh-oh. This guy, okay, I'm staying away from you. Whoa. This guy is crazy. Okay, I'm just not gonna find him. I'm just gonna survive. Let me get that money back. I'm getting this so I can give people stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought I was getting hit. See? Can I? Oh, I can collect it as well. Nice. Ooh. This money bag is useful. Very useful. I might just collect some. Look, see, now this guy is following me because I keep dropping. Is he trying to kill me? He is, but he can't. Avalanche! Alright, I'm staying away from the house. Or not the house, it's a throne. But we gotta stay away. Oh my gosh, there's so many big snowballs! No! Dude, I swear it tricked me. I thought it was going in a straight line, but it moved to the left. Oh my gosh. I forgot, when you die already, you can't die by it. Let me just give out some money real quick. Yeah, I know, I got fucking wiped out. These are... Wait, let me see the coins. Oh, they're LSDs. I'm gonna get 100 coins. Oh, right there, SD. That's a lot. Soccer balls. Watch out. Where are they coming from? Oh, they're coming from the sky. Ah, get away! It's coming! Oh my god. Wait, is it moving on its own? Oh, at night. No, it's not. I thought it was. It looked. I'm running. Ah! Get away from me. Stop. Who's throwing those? Ooh, that scared me. Alright, only 4 people survived. Wow, that's crazy, dude. Oh, Nyan Cat. Oh, that's my profile picture on Scratch. If you don't know. Oh my gosh! I'm staying behind this. Where'd he go? He disappeared. That scared me. At least I survived. Alright. sorry guys, but we're gonna have to end it there. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to, and ring that bell if you want to. And yeah, ring that bell if you want to see more videos I make in New Year's. So goodbye guys. I'll see you later.